Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Gallery app and click on one of those options, Photos or Albums. Wherever you choose, when you're ready, hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. I will go with this one. Now to select multiple ones right away, click on this dot at the top right corner. Now to exclude some, just click on the ones that you wish to keep. And to delete the rest, select Delete at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!